What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go ahead and open up our new Canon Selphy printers. Got the printer, I assume, and then the ink cartridges and paper. We did order this off Amazon, so here we go. Or Selphy CP1500. And then in this bag, Selphy CP compact photo printer paper set. Our KP-108IN. So we'll go ahead and open up this one first. Don't think we need this. Alright. Open her up. You've got your limited warranty paper slip. This seems like it is 5 printouts, postcards, 4x6s. Doesn't really weigh anything. You've got your manual. I believe this is where you would put the paper cartridges in. Let's see. Yeah, you open. We'll figure it out as we go. This looks like it's the photo paper. In here, I did order it in black. Wow, it is tiny. Just for an example, these are 4x6" prints. That's how small it is. Thickness. Go ahead and open her up. All right, and that's that. Looks good. Put that off to the side. Gives you a power cord. It's about 3 feet long. And then as well as the adapter cord. I don't think there's much of anything left in here, but just for, alright, nothing else in that box. So box number 1 comes with the Selphy CP1500. You've got your adapter cables. Or your power cables. Comes with what looks like to be 5 sheets of paper, an ink cartridge, postcard 4x6 size, 5 printouts. This is the cartridge, I believe. Ah, there you go. Shows you right there how to go ahead and open it. So you go 1. And this how it opened up too. Ah, look at that. That's cool. And then your warranty paperwork and your compact photo printer manual. Awesome. Let's go ahead now and open up the paper side. So in this trusty little box, it does give you 108 sheets plus the ink for those 108 sheets. They are 4x6 inches or 100 by 148 millimeters. Let's go ahead, get it by the open. And in here, how is it packaged? Alright, so here's all your photo paper. Cool. And then your 3 cartridges of ink. Awesome, let's go ahead, I'll put it together and do a test print. Alright guys, so we're back on the desk now. We've got it plugged in, as you can see. We're gonna go ahead, I already did start it and go through the whole startup system. where it asks you for your language, and then it has you download the application on your mobile phone. So I went ahead and did that. I do have an iPhone 14 Pro, so I am on Apple, as you can tell. Pretty much what it's told you to do is just hold the power button. It'll show Canon like it does there. And then afterwards, it would ask you for English, and then please download the application. It's pretty straightforward. It has a little QR code you would scan. There it says Selfie, or Selfie. Let's go ahead and pull off this little film here. So there is no ink. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how to put it on, or in. On the side here on the right, there's a little tab. Open it. As you can see, you grab your ink. It just slides right in, snaps in place. As far as the paper, when you open it, you can go ahead and put in your paper inside here. You can't really see it, but it's in there. And then you would leave it open like so. This has a tab on the side. Pop it open. You then go ahead and insert this. I'll show you with my phone. It's a little dirty, but we're going to go ahead and open the Selfie application. So this card edits. We're going to go ahead and click select print. It tells you the size you can do. Postcard if you want glossy. And then image optimized when printing. I'll leave it on. Go to my smartphone, recent. And then I'll go ahead and select something from here. Let's see here. Bum, bum, bum. Let's go ahead and get one of our Subaru. Something nice. So I'm going to go ahead and print out this shot here. I'll go ahead and post it on the screen, why not? Close that. So I'm going to click it and then click OK. Click print. It'll ask to join. Go ahead and click join. It's connecting to printer, and then let's see if it'll do its magic. It's preparing a photo for it, sending images. It now states it's busy. Click OK. And there it goes. It's going to do its yellow first. Pretty trippy to watch, but hey, it's still pretty cool. Takes it back in. It's going to do its magenta or pinks. Then it's cayennes or blues or cyans, however you want to call it. And then it's going to go ahead and pull in the whites. Once that's done, you go ahead and there it is. Glossy photo paper. The quality is pretty fair. I mean, for $100 to have your own little printer at home, talking about 33 cents a photo. I mean, can you beat it? And that's that. Let me know what you guys think below.